From the distribution center, we added manufacturing capability. We put the first tissue manufacturing line, it was a facial line, is a facial line, we still utilize it, in 2010, and added our second facial tissue line in 2012, and use those to outsource products for our customers. Now, we don't have our own brand, so everything that we do is our customer's brand, and we also don't compete against our customers on the converting side of our business. We've continued to add converting assets into our business, and recently add rewinding capability and many other specialty value-add packaging and manufacturing assets for our customers. So we've really spent a good amount of time defining our culture and behaviors that have made us successful as Services Plus. And our second core value is always finding a better way and there are no limits. And if you take a tour here, you'll see that in action every day. We've implemented some collaborative robotics here. We've got 3D printing capabilities. We've got some really smart people in our maintenance and process improvement groups that build automation. And the significance behind that is we're a pretty small company, but we use technology for our advantage and for our customers' advantage to drive efficiencies in the process. Our customers are constantly pressured with cost at the shelf, and they expect consistent cost reduction from us. And to do that, we have to be really smart when we do that. We have to build our own automation, and like I said, we've purchased robots here, collaborative robots, to do that as well. So I think the one takeaway from Services Plus is we've continued to grow, we've continued to meet our customers' needs, and we've continued to grow through our customers. And what I mean by that is we don't go and set up a capability, we go see what the need is, find a way to get it done for them.